Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. Guys, at this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of Hedera. What's the price of Hedera Hashgraph? What's the price changes occurring in Hedera? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently price of Hedera Hashgraph, so as you can see here is 0.369555 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Hedera Hashgraph. Other side, guys, you can see your last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. So these all changes of Hedera Hashgraph is completely going negative. Very barely the price jumps. So a lot of people message me that what should we do? Is it a good time to buy, sell, or hold? So you know what? A lot of people also decide that we are going to sell because the price going to dump. So no, that's big mistake of holders, guys. Don't decide. And especially in the last half month, I did not recommend for all of you that it's time to sell. No, never decide to sell. It's time to hold and hold. As you can see here, guys, that is last 1 day price chart, and in the latest situation you can see here theta network is in the huge pump. So that's why I recommend for all of you that it's time to hold, it's time to huge pump. Anyways, guys, what do you think about Hedera Hashgraph? My prediction is positive, and I believe that it is the last week of October, and in the last week of October the price will highly pump. So that's why I recommend that it's time to hold, not to sell. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.